The 2008 financial crisis wiped out $10 trillion in global wealth, but the next economic collapse, it won't come from banks, it'll come from AI. Look at the numbers. Goldman Sachs predicts 300 million jobs could be automated in the coming years. Companies are already replacing customer support, finance, legal, and even software engineers with AI. This isn't a distant future, it's happening now. The real danger? AI is rewriting the economy faster than we can adapt. Entire industries will shrink, wages will drop, and if history has taught us anything, it's that when jobs disappear overnight, recessions follow. But here's the good news. Every technological revolution has created new opportunities, and this one is no different. AI may eliminate jobs, but it will also create entire new industries, new careers, and new ways of working. The key? Adaptation. The winners in this AI-driven economy won't be the ones who resist it, but those who learn how to use it. If you focus on what AI can't replace, creativity, critical thinking, leadership, and human connection, you'll be building a future-proof career. AI won't replace humans. It will replace humans who don't evolve. So the real question is, will you be ready? Let's talk in the comments.